Chapter 5. Articles. A, an, the. In English grammar, there are three types of articles. These are a, an, and the. Articles are of two types, indefinite and definite. A and an are called indefinite articles because they do not point to any definite noun. The is called definite article because it points to a definite noun. Use of a. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. For example, 1. This is a boy. 2. Do you have a 1 rupee coin? 1 begins with a vowel but has a consonant sound. 3. She gave me a useful tip. Useful begins with a vowel but has a consonant sound. Use of an. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. For example, number 1. An enemy attacked the kingdom. 2. She bought an umbrella. 3. He is an honest man. Honest begins with a consonant but has a vowel sound. A and an means 1. They are used before countable nouns in the singular number. For example, number 1. That is a computer. 2. That is an ant. Read this too. Articles are also adjectives. Articles are used with nouns. They tell us more about the nouns. Therefore, they are adjective. Use of the. When we speak of a person or thing for the first time, we use a or an. When we speak of the same person or thing for the second time, we use the. For example, a boy is sitting on a bench. The boy is looking upset. The is used when we talk of a particular person or thing. For example, number 1. It is the pen I found yesterday. 2. This is the cup which he broke in the morning. The is used before the nouns which are only one of their kind. For example, number 1. The earth is round. 2. The sun rises in the east. The is also used before the directions. For example, number 1. Kashmir is in the north of India. 2. Kerala is in the south of India. The is used before the names of holy books and newspapers. For example, number 1. The Gita is a holy book of the Hindus. 2. The Times of India is the best newspaper. The is used before the names of buildings and monuments. For example, number 1. The Red Fort is in Delhi. 2. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. The is used before the names of rivers, seas, oceans and mountain ranges. For example, number 1. The Ganga is one of the major rivers of Asia. 2. The Himalayas are covered with snow. The is used before the superlative degree of adjectives. For example, number 1. Komal is the tallest girl in the class. 2. Rose is the most beautiful flower. The is used before the names of races or nations. For example, number 1. The Sikhs go to the Gurudwara. 2. The British defeated the Mughals. The is also used before the phrases like the first, the last, the next, the only. For example, number 1. This is the only bag I have. Number 2. I met her for the first time in Kolkata. We do not use articles before the days of the week and the months of the year. For example, number 1. I was born in January. 2. We are meeting on Monday. We do not use articles before the names of nouns, countries, streets and persons. For example, number 1. Manvi is going to Dehradun. 2. Milan lives at Mahatma Gandhi Road.